You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and turn on your notification button so you will not miss out on any of my videos. And if you're already part of the family, hey, thank you guys for your support. Okay, so today we are going to talk about Victoria Auduino mythos 1 grinder. Yes, Victoria Auduino mythos 1 grinder has been in the industry for some time, and it's proven itself in the coffee industry. It's easy to work, grinder adjustment and settings are easy to use in a busy work atmosphere. Mythos 1, an on-demand grinder that puts its strength in true technologies capable of improving the extraction quality of the coffee and at the same time in extreme precision, intelligent waste management and ease of maintenance. Victoria Auduino Mythos 1 grinder is beautifully designed. This is the hopper. The hopper can take 1.3 kg of coffee. A beautiful digital display. This is the digital buttons. This is to decrease the dose, okay, and this is to increase your dose. You do that by adding some grams to the dose. This key is the switch between these three buttons to select the dose. So this is the continuous button. When it's here, the grinder has no power over it to stop the flow of the grind, so you will have to stop it. And when you want to take off the hopper, you just clock this, okay? Then you can take off the hopper. Maybe you want to clean or clean or to maintain or to do some maintenance, and then when you're done you just clock it back. This is the elements bar. And this is the chamber. This is what holds the blades for crushing down the coffee into all these other particles. It's made easy for maintenance, so any barista can access. Just unscrew the screws and then you separate it, then you're good to go. So easy. This button is for adjusting your grinder to fine. So if you want it to be fine, you go clockwise. And if you want it coarse, you go anti-clockwise. It's so simple. And in case you have issues, just take it back to 0. And it's easy to reset again. So that's the resetting. If you want to reset it, you just turn it to, and that's the arrow that indicates your adjustments, okay? This is the portafilter holder, and this is our clamp crusher. This clamp crusher avoids the coffee from spilling all over. It's very good. It's very good from my own experience. This is the sensor. You just knock it or touch. You just knock it and then it fills. It's automatic. And this is the power button to turn it off and on. It's okay. It's very good for working, especially in a busy working environment. Let me demonstrate to you how to use the sensor. Just knock it and it fills. So easy to use, and it's fast. Work easy, makes work easy, so easy. So I can set this and use it for a week if nobody touches the grinder, or if no barista intend to change the settings for the dough. And this one can also be set for another purpose. So in a nutshell, it's just a good machine with an easy way of cleaning because of how the chamber is built. It's easy. The blades for grinding is here and there. So you just open this, then it comes off. You take this off, then you see the blade, another blade is here and another blade is here. So it's just simple for grinding compared to the old ones I've used. This is so simple for cleaning, for maintenance, of which any barista can clean. And my skill. The water filter here to demonstrate. So this has been set for 18. So let's see if it is still 18. And then you allow it to fill. See, the magic is done. Here we go. So it's so good. It's so good. In fact, it being set like this can take you for a week, a month, unless your coffee beans runs out completely. Whenever your coffee beans finish from the hopper completely, it changes the settings of the blade. It changes your blade settings, which means that you will have to recalibrate your grinder again. So that will affect the overall settings you have done. Other than that, you have nothing to worry about. This Victoria Auduino Mythos one is super amazing. It really makes work easy for me. Yes, assuming I have 10, 12 customers, all I have to do is to flip this water filter, leave it here. I leave it here. I do what I have to do. I'll just do. While it's filling, I'm working on this, and then I extract my espresso before I put my skill here and start the extraction for this process. This is done. I just take it, so it makes work so easy. You don't have divided attention, okay, because it's so easy. It has really made working as a barista interesting. So what else do I have to tell you? This is the power button. This is the power button. If you want it off, you just press it like this one, and then it's off and on. Yeah. So it's a good machine. It's a good grinder. Of course, I will recommend you, if you want a grinder, you can get it for a commercial business like this. You can get it because it's fast and efficient, and it's beautiful. It's just classy, Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Catch you next time.